Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial for this glamorous, gorgeous blue cat eye makeup look that I have given to my model for a photo walk. So let's get started. All the products used in this video are listed in the description box below. You can check it out if you wish. I have already moisturized and primed her face. To begin with, I will test the shades of foundation on the sides of her cheek to ascertain which shade suits her skin tone the best. I will follow it up with a color corrector to color correct the imperfections on her skin. Now I am using concealer from the same Makeup Revolution palette on the areas of her face which need more coverage. I will also apply it on the eyelid so that we get a good flawless base for the eye makeup. Then I am using the foundation shade that best suited her skin tone and blending it into her skin. Take your time and blend the base evenly so that your base does not look patchy. Apply the foundation on all the open areas of your neck and chest, and do not forget your ears. I am setting the base with a loose powder. You can also use a compact if you wish. Apply the powder in a dabbing motion and do not scrub or scratch on the skin, as that might spoil your base. If you are wearing an open back or backless outfit, then be sure to dust the back with powder too. I am applying a royal blue color eyeshadow all over her eyelid. Apply it evenly all over. Now I am using a black eyeshadow to shape and smoke out the outer corner of the eye. With a flat applicator brush, I am applying that same black color in the outer area of the eye and smoking it out. I will now blend out the outer edges so that there are no harsh lines. Use an eyeliner to line the upper lash line and give it a sharp cat wing at the outer corner. You can take the help of a Q-tip to give a sharp edge to your eyeliner and get a perfect cat eye wing. Already curled her lashes and am now applying a generous coat of mascara to give lots of volume to her eyelashes. I am filling up the brows so that there are no gaps, and filling the brows is really important as it really gives a good look to the whole face. Then I will set the brows with a transparent mascara. Since we are using a dark eyeshadow, it is imperative to highlight the under eye area with a foundation shade that is 2 shades lighter to the foundation used on the rest of the face. I am also using the same highlighting foundation on the bridge of the nose and all the high points of the face. I am using a powder contour to give shadows to the face and make the face look more sculpted. I will contour the hollows of the cheek, the jawline, the forehead and the sides of the nose. Want the eyes to be the main focus on the face, I will use a very neutral peachy blush on the cheeks. I am applying the highlighter on the highest point of the cheek, the cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose and on the brow bone. Since the dress has a deep neck, I will also highlight the collarbone and the neckline. I will apply a pastel pink lipstick for my model. Finally, I will set the whole makeup with a makeup setting spray. And here is the finished look. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, comment below and let me know your views. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you back in my next video. Until then, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and I love you very much. Bye bye.